guys, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another episode. Today we're going to cook on the electric CrossRay BBQ by heat strip. And you're going to be asking, what are we going to cook? Well, we're going to cook some traditional Greek hamburgers, Jack the Greek style. But we're going to make one for the meat lovers and one for our vegetarian friends. So the first thing I want to do is take you over here to our brand new CrossRay BBQ by heat strip. It's the electric one. As you can see, I've got two grills on at the moment, but it normally comes from the factory with a grill and a hot plate. And I've just turned it on around about 2 minutes ago. So it's getting warm and it should be ready as soon as I prepare our beautiful hamburgers. The first one is going to be traditional. We're going to use a beautiful bun, some beautiful beef. I've already made it with some herbs and spices and onion, and here it is here. And the other one is going to be our veggie burger. So this is very simple. We've made our mince, and you've seen other videos how I've made mince before, so I'll let you watch them. So today it's all about the cooking and all about our CrossRay BBQ. So there it is. We're going to have a nice and fat burger. So that's our first one. The second one is just here. Veggie patties, the quick and easy way. Just grab some from your supermarket. So I'm taking the vegetable ones out now, and here they are here. Beautiful vegetable patties, and they are a great alternative. I will give them that. So here they are there. So you can buy them from your local supermarket, or even some butchers do have them as an option for you, as I said earlier. So we've got our patties there, and we've got our beautiful Greek traditional. And there we have it there. The Greek traditional, we're going to cook it, and we're going to on the CrossRay BBQ for around about 3-4 minutes either side. And with the patties, the vegetable patties, I don't know how long it's going to take, but it won't take as long as the meat. So I'm going to wait about a minute before I put them on. We're going to have a bun for our traditional Greek beef burger, but for our vegetarian burger, we're going to have it with eggplant, mushroom, some zucchini and onions. And of course, we are going to put some onion on our Greek version as well. Okay, so we've got our beef patty now, and we're just going to place it just there. And we'll grab our vegetable patties and we'll put them on as well, and let's see how long it will take for them to cook. So come back over here now and let's prepare our mushroom, because our vegetable hamburger will have mushroom. So we'll cut the stem off just like that. I like peeling them. Jack the Greek likes to peel them just like this. Others like to put them straight on, but I just like to take the peel off. So we'll put a couple on and see how it goes. So we'll put it there, and we'll make one more just over here. So at this stage, while everything is cooking slowly, we're going to prepare all our ingredients for our hamburgers. And here are our mushrooms. We might only going to need one, because that's going to be used as the base of our vegetarian hamburger. And we'll put that one there. With our eggplant, we're just going to cut a slice, just like this. And that slice there is what we'll use to cook. And we put that there as well. And our onion, which is going to be fresh, we'll just slice it like that. I like to use red onion. There we go, beautiful. And we'll put that just over there, just here. And you're going to ask, what is the mint doing over there? I'll explain to you in a sec. And with our zucchini, of course, we'll just cut a couple of slices just like this and place them on the CrossRay BBQ. Next is our tomato. Grab our tomato. We'll get 2 slices out of this one. One for our Greek one and one for our vegetarian one. And we'll put them just there as well. And I've got some olives as well that we'll put on top. But of course, we've also got the mint that we have to deal with now. We'll put them down there, and we'll start with the mint. What we're going to do is make a little bit of a yogurt and mint sauce for our traditional Greek style burgers. And there we have it. We just cut it up like this. We don't need much more than that. Put that away. Put it in our bowl. And grab yourself a towel, keep your hands clean at all the time, and put some yogurt in there. Traditional Greek yogurt is the best. Grab it from your local deli. I grab it from a Gene Deli at Preston Market. And there we go. We'll put that in there. Just like that. I'll put a little bit of olive oil as well. Let's see how they're going. They're going okay. A little bit of olive oil. Like that. And then a little bit of honey as well. And we'll give that a bit of a mix. And we'll be ready in a couple of minutes to put as a beautiful sauce in our Greek style burgers. So before we go and start preparing and getting our bread ready, let's have a quick look and see how things are going. Coming close, there we go. We can see they're cooking away. We can see the mushrooms are starting to melt away, as they say. And our eggplant is starting to cook as well. Beautiful. And of course, our main traditional burger, bopas, there we go, is cooking away. What I'm going to do, oh, we damaged that one a little bit, that's okay. What we're going to do now is turn the lid, put the lid down, leave the CrossRay BBQ on high for about 2-3 minutes, and come back and plate it all up. Bye-bye. Welcome back. It's time now to plate up our beautiful Jack the Greek style, vegetarian and meat lovers hamburgers. So, come over here, back to the CrossRay BBQ, and as you can see, everything is ready. We have our bread, so let's get that out. And this one's going to be for our traditional meat lovers. Here we go here. So let's put in the patty, just like that, and we'll leave the bread there. The next one, there is no bread. We're going to use mushroom. And we're going to put the mushroom as the base for our vegetarian burger. And there we go there, just like that. Now we also have zucchini and eggplant, but we're going to get that in a sec, because the next thing, oh, and as you can see, this is not scripted. So I did forget to put something, and I always put the lettuce underneath, just like this. There we go. And put the other lettuce on the other side before we do anything else. There we go. Put the lettuce there. There we go. A bit more, won't hurt. And there we go on the patty. So we've got that. Put that away, just there. The next thing we're going to put is our beautiful yogurt and dill dip that I made earlier. So we'll put that on there, just like this. Beautiful. And just here as well on the meat lovers version. Beautiful. I don't think we need more, but again, you can put as much as you like. The next thing, we need to get our eggplant. And there we go, just like that. And our zucchini. And of course, this one's for the traditional vegetarian Greek style hamburger. Oh, we've got a fly, but we are outdoors. Let's just turn off, oh, you heard the bell? That's turning off our electric CrossRay BBQ by heat strip. The next thing we'll do is put our tomato, just like this. There we go. On top of the tomato, we'll put our cucumber, just like this. Our onion on top, like I said earlier, keeping it as traditional as we can. Beautiful. That's probably enough. We'll put that away. Wash our hands. Keep everything clean. And of course, last but not least, we can't forget our olives, because we're going to put them on top. So I'll bring that a bit closer. And these, I've got to thank my mother-in-law for these fantastic homemade olives. I've cleaned a few already, and we'll just put them on top. She made these last season from our olive trees in the backyard. Fantastic. There we go. And there we have it. We have a traditional Jack the Greek special meat lovers hamburger, and also our vegetarian style Jack the Greek style burger as well. Pick which one you like, pick which one you want, make a variety of them, and enjoy it with your family. All bust from Jack the Greek.